Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and on this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over how you would replace your ABS wheel speed sensor. This is the ABS wheel speed sensor on the front and on the right side, being your passenger side. Same procedure would apply to the left side, driver's side. So first you'll jack up the car, remove the tire, support the car with jack stands, and then you can remove your tire to be able to gain access to your wheel speed sensor right here, and turn the steering wheel to the left to give us the access, or easier access here. So to start with, you'll need to undo this connector here, and these connectors you got to just pry this little tab back a teeny bit, press it in. A lot of times press it in towards the way it locks. It will relieve the pressure on here, and then you'll be able to pull it out. So what you're doing when you press here is this little tab here moves up, and that's what you want to do. And you don't want to apply tons of pressure, and like I said, it might be stuck because there's pressure pushing against the tab. So if you push it toward the way it's supposed to close the clamp, it will generally free it. But you don't want to apply too much pressure and break this tab off, then it becomes a lot harder to get your connectors to come undone. So we've got that out of the way. Now this is a T27. Okay, remove that, and now we just I'm going to try to get it to move a little bit. So it's not wanting to come out very easily. So I applied some penetrating oil. Gonna allow that to sit for a while and then come back and see if I can get it out. So after some time of allowing the penetrating oil to soak in on the ABS wheel speed sensor, we were able to get it out by being able to move it back and forth a little bit and then gently prying on it and pulling it out. So now that the sensor has been removed and we've cleaned up the hole the best we can, now we will go over and reinstall a new ABS wheel speed sensor. And you just line it up and press it in, and then we have the T27 bolt. Just snug. We're all good there. And now take our electric connector, line it up, and press it until you hear the click and know that that's locked on. And so that is how you would replace your front ABS wheel speed sensor. This one happens to be on the right side, but the left side would be the same procedure. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.